Well, welcome everyone. I'm Marsha Ramson, and Mary Kay and I have tips for you on organizing photos. August is Organizing Your Photo Month, and we are excited to share some tips today. So, Mary Kay, what is our first question?
Marcia, I inherited boxes and boxes of old photos for generations. What do I do with them?
Oh my goodness. They're not getting any younger. So there are three things you can do with them. One is what my brother and I did. I went to visit him in another state, and as we were chatting, his wife brought up a box of photos. And she said, "You two are going to have to go through your family photos." And we both looked at each other and rolled our eyes, like, "No, please." And so she insisted. We sat there, and he held up a photo. It was like from three generations ago. And he said, "Okay, I think this is so and so, and then this one." So we've had a keep pile. And then he held up one. He looked at me. I go, "I don't know." And we put it in a box on the floor, a discard pile. I mean, we could have, been related to George Washington, but at that point we didn't care. And so we kept going through it, and it only took about 45 minutes or an hour. And then we had this box on the floor to get rid of. And I said, "Okay, you throw it out." He said, "I can't do it." I said, "I'm not doing it." And my sister-in-law said, "I am doing it." And so it went. And then we scanned the photos and we both had them. So the first thing is go through it with another sibling and see if they know. The second thing is you want to put them in chronological order. And you may even want to have a Google Doc open and put the year and put maybe an event. Maybe it was, family vacation at such and such a place. The third thing you can do is once you go through them, give them to a sibling, a sister in law for her children, but give those print ones away that you are fine with passing on. But this is the highest level of organizing, is photo organizing. We're going to do a class in August every year, only in August. And Mary Kay, your expertise is helping us sync our devices. Everyone has them on the phone, computer, hard drive, everywhere. Will you be able to really help people in the class get them synced together?
Absolutely, Marcia. We've gone through lots of photos on our phone and we'll be able to help everyone with this.
You have helped me already. I had 1,000 photos on my phone that weren't showing up on my computer. We worked on it. You showed me how, and together we did it by Zoom. So, people, sign up for photo organizing made easy at organizingpro.com. We will see you very soon, starting in August. The date is the first Wednesday in August. See you then. Bye for now.